Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the essentials. Turn on your device GPS and location services, then open WhatsApp and pick the chat where you'll share location. Once done, go to System Settings and grant WhatsApp precise location access. Without precise permission, you'll get approximate or no location. Make sure Battery Saver is off for testing because it can throttle location updates. Finally, restart WhatsApp so permission changes take effect and you're ready for the next configuration steps. Now you dig into the middle steps. Open Google or device location settings and set mode to high accuracy, allowing Wi-Fi and mobile networks to assist GPS. Make sure WhatsApp has background location permission so live location updates work when the app is minimized. If issues persist, clear the app cache or update WhatsApp from the store. Outdated cache or app bugs often block location sharing. Once those are done, relaunch the app and test sending a live or static location to confirm progress. To finish, send a short live location and watch for movement updates. That proves data flow. If it still fails, restart your device and verify the time and date are correct, because mismatched time can disrupt secure location services. Make sure the recipient also has a recent WhatsApp version and permissions. One key tip: if nothing else works, revoke and regrant WhatsApp permissions, then reinstall the app. This often resolves corrupted permission states or persistent bugs that simple restarts don't fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.